Our mission is to support our clients in creation of effective workplace. I think that the two words are now the key: well-being and sustainability. Regarding well-being, it is the knowledge of current trends like hybrid workplace, which is concentrated on human itself. When the human person is put into the center of the workplace, hybrid workplace is more communication hub. So in the future we expect that in the offices it will be less and less typical desking areas, and it will be more and more agile zones, more and more informal, like this furniture. Other thing is to also think about well-being in the product itself, if they are comfortable, if they are ergonomic, and if they support the well-being of the user. The big challenge for us, we work internationally, so we gather expectations regarding the product from many different markets, and those expectations are different. Regarding design, regarding shape, there are also different regulations in each country, so we have to cover all of these different expectations, and we try to find the compromise to put them into the one solution, because we would like to develop the products which will cover as many markets as possible.
We have a lot of different clients, a lot of different projects from different countries. Our acquisition over the years is really extended, and we must use our experience and design our answer for the customers really quickly.
3D experience is giving us the blueprint. We go to the new acquired company and we say this is our way of doing things. When you have one vocabulary, one environment, one development process, I think it's much easier, and at the very end it's much more effective. The critical thing is the data, and to understand the data the same way. Let's say we have the black chair. It's not so easy to manufacture really black chair, because maybe you have another chairs which are a little bit different blacks. But if the two chairs are near each other, you will see the difference. And of course, the holistic view for the whole process is also very important.
What the platform gives to our people, it is really easy entrance to the experience. Engineers can really play quickly for something alternative from the different suppliers, but at the end covering client needs. The IBS was the local company who transferred to us the knowledge.
Sustainability is really required by our customers, so we are always looking for the best and eco-friendly solutions. So in XILIUM chair, from the beginning, define what kind of materials we are looking for, and we ask our potential suppliers what is the impact of their proposed solution on user health and environmental issues. And thanks to that, 96% of the materials used in this chair could be recycled. And all of this holistic approach was possible thanks to the platform. Employees expect to not only ensure the workplace for working, but also to think about the mental health of the people who are working there. What could make your company different is better workplace.